Hello again, welcome to Cloudy Tech. Today we're going to talk about Azure certification path for 2022-2023, and I will talk about the certification that I got certified with from Azure. I got certified with six certification we will be discussing today in our slide. So let's start. First of the certification, it's the basic one, which is the Azure Fundamental AZ900, and this certificate will talk about, describe cloud concept, describe Azure architecture and services, describe Azure management and governance. So the learning path for this certificate is the basic one, is the entrance for your cloud concept, and it will show you and teach you how to use or to know the difference between the on-prem and the cloud concept. And we can see here the journey of Microsoft certificate for Azure Fundamental. As we can see, we have one exam to take to get certified with AZ900. So we have self-paced training or paid instructor lead training. I will keep all the links in the description. I will show you how you will get the learning path and how you can learn for free from Azure itself, from Microsoft Learn, and it will help you a lot to get certified and pass your exam. Second certificate, it's Azure Administrator AZ104. This is the second certificate which talking about manage identities and governance in Azure, implement and manage storage in Azure, deploy and manage Azure compute resources, configure and manage virtual network for Azure administrators, monitor and backup Azure resources. So as we can see, this is the learning path for AZ104, and this is the second certificate. It's more focused on administration path, and you will learn a lot from this certificate. As we can see here, the journey of Microsoft Certificate Azure Administrator Associate. So you don't need to take the AZ900 to apply for this. You can take this one directly. If you want just to start with the basic, if you don't know anything about the cloud concept, you can start with the AZ900 and then you can jump to this 104. So as we can see, we have only one exam to pass. Once it's passed, you will be certified as an associate, administrator associate. And we will go to the next one, which is Azure Solution Architect Expert. Previously, there was two exams, and you will get this certificate. Now, they made take the 104 exam, take the 305 exam, and you will be officially Azure Solution Architect recognized by Microsoft, and you will get this badge. And let's talk about the learning path here. It's more complicated, let's say, or it need to focus a lot. Like you need like minimum like from 3 to 6 months to study for it with labs, and for sure you need to do practice labs to get the concept exactly. And we can see here design identity governance and monitor solutions, design business continuity solution, design data storage solution, design infrastructure solution, build a great solution with the Microsoft Azure Well Architect framework, and lastly, accelerate cloud adoption with Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework for Azure. In the link in the description below, I will keep it. It will show you everyone in specific in details what we are talking about and the learning path, exactly what to take and how to start. And there is a lot of videos that can help you to pass these two exams to get certified with 3 of 5. And this is the journey of Microsoft Cloud for Solution Architect Expert. So you need to take the 104, then you will take the 305, and you will be officially you will get the expert certificate. We will not talk about like previous on-prem or the MCSA or MCSE We will just talking about the cloud here, because if you had that if you are already certified with MCSA or MCSE, you can make like a jump start and take this one. But we are not discussing this here. We're just focusing on the cloud certificates. And we will move to the other one, the Azure developer. So it's AZ204. So basically this focused more on the development and developers. So we can see the learning path, create Azure app services. It will show you how to create an app service and how to manage this app service in app service plan, to get the plan, which operating system you're using to use. Develop solution that use a blob storage. You need to know the solution that can be designed, created, deployed for the blob storage. I missed the second one. It's the implement Azure function, how to create the function, how to run the function, on which language you will run your function. And fourth one, develop solution that use Azure Cosmos DB. It will focus also on the databases in Azure, the managed instance, serverless databases, VM on Azure VM, SQL on VM. So it will basically focus on these side of the databases. And we will go to the next one, implement infrastructure as a service solution. We already discussed this in our previous videos, the IaaS PaaS SaaS in details. And implement user authentication and authorization. AZ204. Implement secure cloud solution. Implement API management and develop event-based solution. So the link that I will give in the description, it will tell you exactly, show you specifically what you need to learn, what you need to study to pass this exam. It's very useful. Like I use it for my own to pass my certification. The Microsoft Learn is very powerful. That can give you a lot of information that will help you. Not only in certification, it will also give you a lot of information how to do. So we'll move to the next one. This is the journey, how to pass the Azure Developer Associate. There is no any, as we can see here, certificate is a good fit. If you're responsible, includes, it will show you if you're working in this rule, that certificate will be very useful for you. And we will see the guide, exam preparation, and finally get recognized by passing the AZ204. We move to the next one, AVD, AZ104, the Azure Virtual Desktop. So the learning path here, plan an Azure Virtual Desktop implementation, how we will do the plan for our AVD implementation. Implement Azure Virtual Desktop infrastructure. It's also focused on the design, how we will do our infrastructure from the scratch. Manage access and security for Azure Virtual Desktop. It will tell you how you will assign the access to the virtual desktops. Manage user environment and apps for Azure Virtual Desktop. It will show you and you will learn how to create a package, application package, give access, to whom to give the access, and how. Monitor and maintain Azure Virtual Desktop infrastructure. You will learn how to monitor your AVD infrastructure and maintain, in case you need to add, scale up, scale down your infrastructure for the AVD, of course. And here we can see the journey for the AVD. You will just take one exam, then you will get recognized with the specialty certificate for AZ140. And the last certificate is the AZ500, which talks about security. And once you get this certificate, you will be recognized as an Azure security engineer. The learning path here also, manage identity and access. It will focus on the AD side, on Active Directory. Implement platform protection for your application or resources or your nodes or workloads. Secure your data and applications. Manage security operations. Mostly it will show you how to secure your information, your data, your platforms, your applications using key vaults, how to store certificates, secrets, passwords in key vault as well. And this is the journey for AZ500, the Azure Security Engineer Associate. You have to take one exam and you will be recognized as Associate and Azure Security Engineer, and you will get the certificate. Finally, this is the link. I will keep it in the description, the aka.ms Azure Train Cert Deck. It will show you all the paths for, not only for administrators, for any role you are looking for or you are willing to. Like for example, here we have for DevOps engineers, Internet of Things, databases, enterprise data analysis. So you can just choose what fit you, and you can just start the path of learning today. As you know, my name is Bakr Amari. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. And here are the certificates that I got in 1 year. Thank you all for watching. And remember, never stop learning. Goodbye.